Welcome to Expert axiom Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called sunk cost. A sunk cost is money that has already been spent and cannot be recovered. In business, the axiom that one has to spend money to make a money is reflected in the phenomenon of sunk cost. A sunk cost differs from future costs that a business may face, such as decision about inventory purchase cost or product pricing. Sunk costs are excluded from future business decision because they will remain the same regardless of the outcome of the decision. A sunk cost refers to money that has already been spent and cannot be recovered. A manufacturing firm, for example, may have a number of sunk costs such as cost of machinery, equipment, and the lease expense on the factory. Sunk costs are excluded from a sell or process further decision, which is a concept that applies to products that can be sold as they are or can be processed further. When making business decisions, organizations should only consider relevant costs, which include the future costs that still need to be incurred. The relevant costs are contrasted with potential revenue of one choice compared with another. To make an informed decision, a business only considers the cost and revenue that will change as a result of decision at hand. Because sunk costs do not change, they should not be considered. All sunk costs are fixed costs, but not all fixed costs are sunk costs. The difference is that sunk costs cannot be recovered. If equipment can be resold or returned at the purchase price, for example, it is not a sunk cost. Sunk cost doesn't only apply to businesses, as individual customer can incur sunk cost as well. Let us say you buy a theater ticket for $50, but at the last moment cannot attend this. The $50 you spent would be a sunk cost, but would not factor into whether or not you buy theater tickets in the future. In general, businesses pay more attention to fixed and sunk costs than the people, as both type of cost impact profits. The sunk cost fallacy is an improper mindset a company or individual may have when working through a decision. This policy is based on the premise that committing to the current plan is justified because resources have already been committed. This result may result in improper long-term strategic planning decision based on short-term committed cost. Thanks for watching. Bye.